Opening scene, upbeat background music, footage of the 2025 Volkswagen rolling onto the screen. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2025 Volkswagen. This model promises a blend of modern design, enhanced performance, and a refined interior, so let's see if it lives up to the hype. Starting with the exterior, Volkswagen has gone for a sleek yet bold look. The front grille has been redesigned, featuring a more aggressive stance with sharp LED headlights that integrate seamlessly. The body lines are smoother, giving it a more aerodynamic profile, while the alloy wheel options range from stylish to sporty, depending on the trim you choose. The rear has also been refreshed, with updated taillights and a more sculpted bumper. It's a design that balances elegance with a sporty edge, making it stand out on the road. Under the hood, the 2025 Volkswagen offers multiple powertrain options. The base model comes with a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, providing a balanced mix of power and efficiency. For those who want more punch, there's an upgraded engine option that delivers stronger acceleration and a sportier driving experience. Volkswagen has also fine-tuned the suspension and steering, ensuring a smooth yet responsive ride. Whether you're commuting or hitting the highway, the handling feels precise, and the ride quality remains comfortable even on rough roads. Step inside, and you'll notice a significant upgrade in interior quality. The cabin is spacious, with premium materials and an intuitive layout. The digital cockpit is sharper than ever, featuring a large touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Comfort is a priority, with supportive seats and plenty of legroom for both front and rear passengers. Higher trims include ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and an upgraded sound system. As for pricing, the 2025 Volkswagen starts around $27,000 for the base model, while fully loaded trims can push past $40,000. With its refreshed design, strong performance, and premium interior, this car is a solid contender in its class. Let us know in the comments if this is your next ride, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews.